Hey guys, JB here from Multichain, formerly known as AnySwap, where we are the world's leading multi-chain routing protocol. Now in this video, we're going to be going over how to route tokens or bridge tokens from one chain to another chain. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right, so from the home landing page, if you go to the very top right hand side, you can see the tab Enter App. Select that. All right, so now that we're inside the Multichain app, and if you look up top here, you just want to be under the router tab. Now what Multichain did was combine AnySwap's bridge tab with the router tab to create one easy to use user experience. So we're under the router tab, and the first step you want to do is connect your wallet. So for me, I'm going to be connecting my MetaMask for this demo video. All right, so my MetaMask is now connected, and for this demo video, I'm going to be routing USDC from the Fantom blockchain, and I'm going to route it to Binance Smart Chain. Now to get started, I want to make sure I'm on the right blockchain connected to my MetaMask wallet. So if you go up here, you can see Fantom mainnet. Now Multichain has 26 different blockchains that it's connected to. So make sure you're under the right blockchain in order to send the tokens correctly. Now, so I'm under Fantom blockchain, and last thing I just want to double check is that I am on Fantom mainnet in my MetaMask wallet. All right, so my goal here is to route USDC from Fantom to Binance Smart Chain. So the next step would be to go down below here. And right now it says Matic mainnet, and I want to switch that to BSC mainnet. Now I'm just going to go over a couple things to cover before we route our tokens. First, we want to look at the liquidity in the pools. As you can see in the Fantom pool, there's about 230,000 USDC, and in the BSC pool, there's about 1.4 million in liquidity. Now, this is important. If there's not enough liquidity and you're trying to do more than the amount in the pools, then the transaction won't complete. So for me, in this demo, I'm only doing $20, so this is not a problem. Now, down below here, Crosschain fee is 0.0%. Gas fee is 0.9 USDC. The minimum cross-chain amount is 12 USDC. The maximum is 5 million USDC. The estimated time for a cross-chain arrival is 10 to 30 minutes, but this is more about 2 minutes now, as they really sped up the process with this bridge. And the cross-chain amount any larger than 1 million USDC can take up to 12 hours. Now, the last thing you want to know before you do this cross-chain route is you need to have gas in your Fantom MetaMask, and all you need is gas from the original source chain that you're sending the tokens from. So as you can see here, I have a little bit of Fantom in my Fantom wallet. All right, so now I'm going to route our 20 USDC, which I'm just going to click here, and adds 20 over to Binance Smart Chain. And if we can recall, there's a 0.9 USDC gas fee, so that is taken out of the total, as you can see there. Now, to do this, it's as simple as going down to the bottom. First, we need to approve our USDC. So you just want to select approve, confirm this in our MetaMask, and it will just take a couple seconds. There we go, it is approved. Now if we go back to the bottom here, the swap tab will open up. All right, and now that happened, and we're just going to select the swap tab. Once again, we're going to hit confirm and go over to our MetaMask. The gas is all set, and we're just going to select confirm. There we go, transaction confirmed right over here. And you can see here, if we want to view the transaction, we can just go right here, and it will bring you to the AnySwap Explorer. So, all right, so you can see that there's 19.1 USDC in my Binance Smart Chain on mainnet. If I want to just double check, I can go up top here, switch from Fantom mainnet to BNB mainnet, and I can see that the USDC is in my MetaMask on Binance Smart Chain. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys. Very easy to use, nice user experience from Multichain. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm JB from Multichain. Peace out, later, and bye for now.